Gotta set the table on, show you what I'm able to. Kyrie, how we making moves, teach us to embrace the new. It's hard when I'm facing my fuse, gotta replace all my tools of love. Nothing come quick, it's a self-long process. If you feel the pain, know it's something we ain't got yet. Whoa.
And I know housekeeping is gonna come and make the bed, but it's still just something about making the bed during the morning routine, get the day started off on the right foot. If you're grown as hell and you're not making your bed, you need to reevaluate. No judgment though. Rich rising, rich rising, rich rising. As y'all can see, we just got the day started. You feel me? I know y'all see the little net over the bed. You know, my mom used to sleep with one of those over her bed, just as like, you know what I'm saying, feng shui, just as like something that's, you know, decorative. But this is actually for like gnats, bugs, etc. Keep them out while you're sleeping. This space doesn't seem like it has a lot of bugs or anything like that. It's very clean, but it must be there for a reason, right? So what do we have on the agenda today? Nothing in specific. I have to rent a scooter, so I'm able to get around the island. I'm about to get up and get after it. With that, something that I like to do when I come to new spaces is I like to go run. So I'm contemplating right now. I got in the shower and all that, as y'all saw, but I'm like, dang, should I go on a run so that I can kind of see the area and get an idea on what's going on around here? It's typically the way I like to do things. I also want to go surfing. I want to find some beginner surf lessons. If it's good, you know, water for beginners over here, which I think so. The waves seem pretty chill. I want to meditate, you know what I'm saying, start the day off proper. You hear the birds singing, chirping in silence. You know, I've been at these hostels, so I haven't had to just be able to just get just pure silence. You just hear nature, no waterfall back there. So I'm gonna like to get into just some silence real quick. I can also do that at the beach. I should go down to the beach. Stay tuned. Make sure y'all watch to the end. Rock with your boy. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We got a beautiful day ahead. Let's go. I know if you're not minding your business enough, you might notice that I got the same shorts on that I got from yesterday's gym sesh. I just want to let you know, when you're living out of a suitcase, a carry-on suitcase, traveling the world, you ain't got a lot, and you ain't trying to do laundry every week. So if these motherfuckers ain't funky, like really sweated in, really worked in, then I'm gonna rewear them. And I just might hand wash them, hang them up, and wear them again. You feel me? You gotta really do what you got. You see the gains. See, a lot of people I'm seeing right now, they walking over to the beach. That's cool. That's beautiful. You know, you might sit at the beach and chill. But me, I'm gonna go run. I'm gonna run next to the beach. I'm gonna run alongside of the beach. I need some water. I'm finna charge up. Hopefully y'all saw the bug spray earlier. Hopefully these mosquitoes ain't crazy out here, but I'm not bringing my camera on this run. I'm gonna bring my phone. So the shots won't be as dynamic, but we gonna do what we got. You feel me? Yo, DJI, if you wanna sponsor this, hit me up. I'm about to buy one. We gonna tap in.
Good, how are you?
finna get lit off the coffee. This is a traditional Balinese coffee, so you know I had to try. Straight black. I like it. Pause. I smell everything. Oh, amazing. Thank you. Thank you. The fresh fruit. Need that.
Ice with ice or no?
No ice. And can I see the menu, the food menu? Yeah, just a look. Thank you.
Serve. Planted a seed for motivation, how I plan to make it. The truth really hits the surface when intoxicated. I'm so embracing. I see your rank is how you flaunt, but you seem overrated. Yeah, I'm watching over my kids. Should be more than this.
Just wrapped up the run. Got to see my surroundings a bit without the need of a scooter. You feel me? You got two options. You can always find a way to get it in. Whew, it's a lifestyle, man. Being active, being intentional, not being lazy. I'm finna shower, rinse off, then I'm gonna go back down by the beach, dip in the water a little bit, get some food, get some work done, and just vibe by the water. Dip in the water. Whew, stay tuned, man. It's all swag. I gotta replenish it with a young coconut, literally. Some water. Gotta make sure you stay hydrated out here. That's a big, big thing. Whew. All right, I'm about to rinse off. It's real work, man.
Watching over my kids should be more than a placement. Should be more than a placement. Should be more than a raise. I've been more than patient. They spitting rhymes, but what they saying probably more than blatant. Why y'all think I'm never making hits for fornication?
Yo, the way the mosquitoes are set up out here, man, as soon as I hit the door, I gotta put on that bug spray, man, because they'll just latch onto you. It's crazy. But we are here at Hidi Huts. It's very nice, very clean, beautiful pool. On my run, I did see that there's a lot of other huts and other spots right on the water. And I was gonna extend this, but I'm kind of interested to see if I can find any huts right on the water. You know, where you walk out and you're right on the beach. This is like a 5-minute, 3-minute walk, but I think I'd still rather see the ocean from my window. That would be fire. So we may switch it up, we gonna see. But we're about to go grab some food, get some work, hop in the water a little bit. Nothing too crazy. Tides can get kind of high, and I'm not the ocean expert to know what the fuck's going on. So I'm not a real island boy. I'm an island boy at heart, but not in the experience, you know?
Yeah,
the States. Where y'all from?
Australia, right?
Australia, nice. A lot of us Australians out here.
By yourself?
Yes, sir.
Traveling?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck yeah, bro. No.
Hell yeah. Y'all swimming? Surfing?
It's fucking crazy in the water there, bro.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Beautiful. Get some footage, definitely.
Yeah, I will. I gotta eat. I'm hungry.
Yeah, it's fucking crazy to swim in though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go too crazy.
Oh, no.
Gotta risk management.
Yeah.
Peace out. See y'all, bro. All right, vlogger mans. Oh yeah, I gotta get in that. Damn, them waves is big.
I medicate for no special occasion. You've helped me work up the courage to say this, I swear. Feels like we've been doing this shit since playpen. So many days out, so many days in.
All right, so I ordered a smoothie bowl, a poke bowl, and a water. And the smoothie bowl and the poke bowl, she was like, really? It's like, yeah, I'm hungry. So hopefully I eat it all. I think I will though. I want something cold, refreshing, and I want something filling and hearty. Grilled shrimp. I'm about to get in this water. Some of these people out here really know how to swim in the ocean. I don't really know how to swim in the ocean like that, but I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm gonna go about waist deep, you know what I'm saying? But girls really out there right now with the big waves. I wanna get to that level.
But shit, look what we making.
I just want to say, man, as y'all can see, I'm not a real island boy. I'm an island boy at heart, but like I said, my experience level is an island boy. These big ass waves are intimidating and they're wild. And all I can hear in the back of my mind is my mom and my grandma, and they're scared ass of the ocean. I need to make friends and develop a tribe of people that can help me learn this ocean, so I can dive and feel comfortable and confident. I know I'm gonna get there. You feel me? I know I'm gonna get there, but right now I'm a nigga from the mini yacht. You feel me? We do pools and lakes, not even lakes, pools. I'm about to go get in the pool up there. But no, this shit's beautiful. I wish I could just dive in and feel confident. I mean, I'm good at swimming, but these waves is looking real hectic. And these Aussies and shit, these folks know what to do with this water. They do this. I don't do this. I look like an amateur. I don't like looking or feeling unconfident in my abilities. That's why I train. But we gonna get right. I'm out here dolo. We out here dolo. We finna get it in though. I'm gonna get comfortable as the day goes on. Mark my words, we're gonna face these fears. We're gonna get this experience up. In Miami, I was able to swim. Yeah, like bruh, like them, watch. All right, quick update. I tried to get my ass deeper up in there, slowly but surely. There's fucking rocks and shit all up in it. Rock done hit my ankle. I said, nah, I'm good. I'm not about to be getting slapped with no rocks on my ankles and shit. Big ass rocks floating all through there. Miami, I ain't feel no rocks. It's alright. Took that as a sign. Went out, laid my black ass out here finna read a book and watch people. I like to watch. I'm gonna get in again tomorrow. I'm gonna try again. Maybe, I think I gotta go in deeper for the rocks not to smack my legs and feet. I don't know. I'm new to this. And I think it's just, I just think that as I sit here and I watch these families traveling and swimming and doing these things together, you know, I know a lot of us come from poverty where, you know, a lot of people haven't got to travel, but especially, you know, the black families that I grew up around, never really getting outside of Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota in general, and not really being able to build the bond of the black family. And I think that's a big key and a reason that I'm here. Is like, I refuse to continue to let this pattern. And my mom, and you know, my mom tried her best to, you know, have us experience, you know, vacations. I went on like a couple of vacations in my life, but you know, growing up, all the white kids would go on all the, you know, vacations, spring breaks, and all that. And you know, we never really got to experience that. You know, she did the best that she could as a single mom, but now that I'm here, I feel like I am that broken link that's going to relink everything, you know? And I think that's powerful. I think that, you know, I have a little brother who's 6, 7, 8. I don't know how old the little dude is at this point, the way he's growing, but, you know, being able to give him experiences, skill sets, mindsets, the things that, you know, me and my brother and my mom even, I find myself still teaching my mom to this day, you know, and that's the way that life's supposed to be. You know, you gotta adapt, you gotta grow, and it's never too late. You know, I tell my mom and grandma tried to talk me out of coming to Bali. You feel me? And I'm like, y'all tripping. Y'all don't know. You feel me? Same thing. They tried to talk me out of going to LA, New York, and everything else. I'm like, y'all don't know. But now they see that I'm here and they're open to coming, right? And I think that's just what it's about. It's about showing, not telling, right? Through our actions, through our life experiences, and being the change that you want to see, right? Be the change that you want to see, right? It starts with self-work. It starts with being able to reflect. It starts by taking initiative, you know, not being afraid to go to therapy, not being afraid to practice things like journaling, not being afraid to have those hard conversations with your mom, your dad, and, you know, tell them how you feel, you know, because at the end of the day, it's only going to eat you up, right? You're only going to be the one that's going to stay in pain by holding on to this pain, this trauma, and these unaddressed emotions and things, whether it be from childhood and so on and so forth. So important, man, that we just grow. We elevate. And if you're that chosen one in your family, it's important for you to, you know what I'm saying, be that link, link everything up, you know, to be that change. It only takes one person. But yeah, man, I feel like that's the message. I don't know how I'm gonna put this in the video because this is pretty long, but I don't even know if it'll go in the video. Maybe subsections. But man, rebuild the broken family. And it ain't gotta be black families. There's all kind of families out there. Mexican families, Asian families be tight knit that motherfucker though. But you know what I'm saying? White families. There's all type of families out there that need rebuilding. You know what I'm saying? And it starts with one person that can be that link, that alchemist link, right? That link that motherfucking shape shifts and can rebuild because that person's so prone to growth and so sharp and so connected to the higher purpose, higher self. But I'm finna get into reading this book, man. Still got business to handle, but we enjoying this time. Business will always be there, right? Yeah, cherish the time, cherish the moment. The business gonna be there. Soak it up, live it up. Peace.
But shit, look what we making.